Hey y'all, this is your girl Jenny Get Skinny, and I'm coming to you today with my cool as a cucumber salad. Y'all, it is about to be so good, so let's get to it. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you the ingredients I'll be using today in my cucumber salad. Of course, you will definitely need cucumbers, because what's a cool as a cucumber salad without cucumbers, honey? Your second ingredient will be tomatoes. I chose grape tomatoes because that's what I prefer. So the third ingredient I'm going to be using today is sliced black olives in the can. You don't necessarily have to buy these kind, but these are the ones that were available at my local grocery store. The Greek dressing, honestly, it just sets it off for me. It's so delicious and so full of herbs. So I also chose that to put in there, but you can get Italian, it's up to you. Now y'all know I love my feta cheese, so I'm definitely going to put some feta cheese in there. So my video is kind of out of sync, or I'm going to say out of order. Anywho, I'm going to be using salt-free seasoning in today's salad. I will also be adding in some parsley flakes and Italian seasoning along with my onion not shown. You will also need a container with the lid to put your ingredients in. So before starting, of course, you want to wash your vegetables, but I also cut the ends of my cucumber off before slicing. After cutting up your cucumber, go ahead and add in your tomato. So before turning my onion over on the other side, to cut it, I like to cut it this way so I can get that perfectly cubed onion effect. Once done, turn it on its side and begin to slice. Go ahead and add in your diced onions. Here's where I like to give my vegetables a good little shimmy to mix them up. So next, I started adding in my parsley. I just did it this way, but you don't have to do it in this order. My salt-free seasoning, that is very delicious, by the way, along with my sliced olives, feta cheese. Last but not least, I went ahead and added in my Ken's Greek salad dressing. So you want to then secure your top and shake what your mama gave you, baby. And here's our finished product, guys. This smells delightful. I wish you could be here right now. All right, guys, we've come to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. This salad is so good. I can't wait to finish eating it. Make sure you follow me at Jenny_gets_skinny BSG on Instagram. Check you later.